So I just got home from work, you guys. Yesterday we went and got some baby chicks, and they were in a little cute container that I had, and I guess my husband thought, it's not good enough. I'm just gonna show you what he done. So there was a little partition wall in our mother-in-law's suite. This is the wall chopped up. Look at this. Lord, he tried his best. That's not even sawed even, but
hey y'all came.
Look.
Mom,
How
you
cute.
scared
Oh,
them.
I scared them.
I told them to come
I'm
here,
so
and I didn't know they were coming.
Aren't you cute? Come here. They're so scared of us. But the guy said they'll warm up to us soon. You just gotta give them a lot of love and be around them a lot. But y'all, this little house here.
Ew.
We trying to do the farm life. I don't know. We gonna keep doing it and see what happens. But look how cute. Come here. They're like, oh heck no. I don't know, y'all. I know y'all are saying like, these are not no cute little chickens. But I wanted the eggs. They call them the Easter Bunny eggs. I want the eggs that were different colors, speckled. And you only get those with these little babies here. What in the world? What the heck? No. Did you see that?
Yes, I saw it.
What's wrong with them? She like, don't be looking at me sideways. I'll kick you in the head.
Did they just?
Yeah, he like, I'll punch a hole in this wall. He's so fat.
Stop.
I think we got the dumb birds. I don't know. Why is they fighting? Why are they fighting? What in the world? We need to kick him out. I know that there must be a boy. He's so big. We're gonna kick him out. He did. Ooh. Y'all too small for this.
Chickens fight for a variety of reasons. Knowing why your birds are brawling make it easier to calm the flock and restore order among the ranks. Establishing pecking order is normal behavior in any flock. Overcrowding is probably the most common cause of fighting in the coop, aside from establishing pecking order. Yeah, they not just.
So the middle one and the big one is fighting each other. The little one like, I'm done.
They are like.
Y'all hilarious.
Well, chickens kill each other. Yes, chickens will kill each other. Usually when new chickens are introduced to an established flock or chickens of different ages are put together. Some roosters will fight to the death as soon.
Are they hurting each other? What? This one is like, I just going over here and eat, and y'all can keep fighting.
Chicken bullying. Will a rooster keep hens from fighting?
Will they?
Depending on the size of your flock, you may consider multiple roosters. Figure one rooster for every 10 hens in your flock. Although the rooster will reduce aggression between hens, he does pose a risk of aggression towards humans and your other animals. Why?
I don't know.
What is wrong with y'all?
I have no idea. Them two don't like each other. Maybe because he keep eating all the food because he's fatter than all of them.
I think that is a boy though.
And he'll be the rooster.
But But they don't like him.
Yeah, he's supposed to be the cool kid and keeping all the other ones straight.
Yeah,
They
I'm
looking at us.
you. Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Are you gonna tear it off?
I know. So rough. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. There's this hawk in my yard. And I swear he is trying to like attack me or something. But it's freaking me out. So we're walking out to see my garden and how it's doing. I don't really like bugs and stuff, but yeah. There's been a hawk out here. I know. Okay, so I don't know, some reason my plants are starting to shrivel up and die. I watered them, maybe I overwatered them. Not all of them, but some of them. I need some help. Let me just show you. So, you see my collards. Look at them. And those over here, they're dying. They're turning yellow. I don't know for sure what's going on. I know I have a lot of weeds in there. Don't pick, don't judge. I will be out here tomorrow with my hoe. My squash though are starting to come in. Don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, look at there. Still, yeah, I know I got a lot of weeds in here. My tomatoes are doing good too. Let's go look at those. Try not to step on any frogs, because there's like 100 frogs just jumping around out here. Baby frogs. All right, my tomatoes. Look at them. And don't laugh at my stitch work with this string I have. I am so excited. Look at those tomatoes. Ooh, yeah. Well, I know, we all know tomatoes are probably like the easiest thing to grow, but I'm happy. I have something. Oh, and I have green beans. I won't forget about those. Yapping dogs. Now, y'all, these two big old plants right here. These two big old plants are heirloom tomato plants. I'm getting really disgusted with because there's no tomatoes. There's no tomatoes. And they're bigger than any plant out here. You guys like suck. I don't know what to do with them. And it looks like they're dying at the roots. I don't know. But they're huge. And no tomatoes. So, that's my garden update. So how we doing today? I don't know. It changed overnight. It changed overnight. Got damaged overnight. And then I began to think, maybe I just have too many different plants in one area. My little cuties are growing in the pot. I don't know, you guys tell me. Look, these freaking frogs, man, they're jumping everywhere. Like, they're everywhere. Look, look, look. Look, there are frogs everywhere. Where'd that one go? Every time we come out here, there he is again. Can't see him. See? Where's he going? Okay, we're back outside. And as you see, it's freaking hawk again. What is he doing? I don't know. Now the hawk is just sitting there harassing me, and all I want to do is go over here to check on my garden. All I want to do is go over here and check on my garden. I should just go back in the house. I don't have time for this today. Every time we come outside, they're here.
They're here, yeah.
I thought it was a hawk.
Well, no, it's a form of a hawk, but it's not like the hawk.
Every time we come out the door, like I was just looking for him when I came out here, and he hiding. I didn't even see it.
When I be watering the grass up front, they come up front with me, which is fine with me.
Nah, what I mean, because they look like they're gonna attack.
They don't be looking like they're gonna attack. They
Every time I go out there,
look like they would look like you.
they like they just live here.